In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace clips in DaVinci Resolve 20 quickly and correctly without messing up your timing, your cuts, or your overall edit. This is one of those simple but super useful editing tricks that can save you a lot of time, especially when you need to swap out a shot, fix a mistake, or upgrade a clip with better footage. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is go to the edit page. This is where you'll be working with your timeline, so make sure you are in the right workspace before you start replacing anything. Once you're on the edit page, look down at your timeline and find the clip that you want to replace. You'll want to set the playhead right at the start of that clip. This makes it easier to stay organized and helps you confirm exactly which clip you're working on. Next, go over to the media pool and find a new clip you want to use. The media pool is where all of your imported media is stored, so this is where you'll locate the replacement footage. Take a moment to make sure you've chosen the correct file, because once you replace the clip, that new media will take the place of the old one in the timeline. After you've found it, select the new clip in the media pool. This step is important because DaVinci Resolve needs to know which media you want to use as the replacement. Once it's highlighted, you're ready for the actual swap. Now click Replace Selected Clip. This is the key action in the process. When you use this option, DaVinci Resolve will replace the clip that's currently selected in your timeline with the new one from the media pool. The best part is that it keeps the clip in the same position with the same cuts and timing intact. That means you don't have to rebuild your edit from scratch or manually realign everything afterward. This is also the reason why replacing a clip is usually much better than deleting the old clip and adding a new one. If you delete and reinsert footage, you can accidentally break your timing, disrupt your transitions, or lose the flow of the edit. But when you use Replace Selected Clip, your timeline stays clean and organized, and the rest of your sequence remains exactly where it should be. If your clip already has effects, adjustments, or other edits applied to it, replacing it properly can help preserve your workflow much more smoothly. That's why it's always a good idea to use the replacement feature instead of starting over with a fresh insert. It keeps things efficient and helps you avoid unnecessary rework. Once the replacement is done, take a look at the timeline and preview the section to make sure everything looks correct. Play it back from a few seconds before the replace clip and watch carefully to confirm that the new footage fits the edit the way you expected. Check the timing, the motion, and any transitions around it so you can be sure the change worked properly. If everything looks good, then you're done. You've successfully replaced the clip in DaVinci Resolve 20 without breaking the structure of your timeline. It's a fast, simple method that can make a big difference in your editing speed and your overall workflow. So just to recap, go to the edit page, set the playhead to the start of the clip, choose your replacement clip in the media pool, select it, click Replace Selected Clip, and then preview the timeline to confirm the result. That's the cleanest way to swap footage while keeping your edit intact. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.